Keto cream cheese dessert recipe. In today's health-conscious world, many people are turning towards ketogenic, keto, diets for their potential benefits in weight loss, blood sugar control, and overall wellness. In fact, with the right ingredients and a bit of culinary creativity, you can enjoy delicious treats that align with your dietary goals. One such delight is a keto cream cheese dessert, offering a perfect blend of creamy texture and sweetness without the carb overload. Understanding keto desserts. Before delving into the recipe, it's essential to understand what makes a dessert keto-friendly. A ketogenic diet primarily focuses on high-fat, moderate protein, and very low carbohydrate intake. Therefore, a keto dessert must align with these macronutrient ratios. This means using ingredients that are low in carbs but high in healthy fats. Key ingredients for keto cream cheese dessert. 1. Cream cheese, the star of the dish. Cream cheese offers a rich, creamy base with minimal carbs. You'll need 8 ounces, about 227 grams, for this recipe. 2. Almond flour, a common substitute for traditional wheat flour. Almond flour is low in carbs and high in fats. Use half cup, about 48 grams. 3. Erythritol, it's about 70% as sweet as sugar and doesn't impact blood sugar levels significantly. You'll need half cup, about 96 grams. 4. Heavy cream, this adds richness and body to the dessert. Use 1/4 cup, about 60 milliliters. 5. Vanilla extract, a flavor enhancer that adds depth to the dessert without adding carbs. You'll need 1 teaspoon, about 5 milliliters. 6. Unsalted butter, used for the base, it enhances the flavor and increases the fat content. You'll need 1/4 cup, about 57 grams. 7. Eggs, they provide structure and stability to the dessert. Use 2 large eggs. The recipe, serving 8 people. Base layer. 1. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. 2. Melt 1/4 cup unsalted butter and mix it with half cup almond flour and 1 tablespoon erythritol. 3. Press this mixture into the bottom of an 8-inch square baking dish. 4. Bake for 10 minutes, then let it cool. Cream cheese layer. 1. In a mixing bowl, blend 8 ounces of cream cheese until smooth. 2. Gradually mix in half cup erythritol and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 3. Add 2 eggs, one at a time, mixing well after each addition. 4. Pour in 1/4 cup heavy cream and blend until the mixture is smooth and creamy. 5. Spread this mixture over the cooled base layer. Baking and serving. 1. Bake the dessert in the preheated oven for about 20 minutes or until the center is slightly firm. 2. Allow it to cool, then refrigerate for at least 2 hours before serving. Nutritional information. Each serving of this keto cream cheese dessert contains approximately calories, 200 to 250 kilocalories. Carbohydrates, 3 to 4 grams. Fats, 18 to 22 grams. Protein, 4 to 5 grams. Conclusion. This keto cream cheese dessert is a testament to the fact that you can enjoy indulgent sweets without straying from your dietary objectives. This dessert not only satisfies your sweet tooth but also provides nutritional benefits, making it a guilt-free indulgence.